So today we're going on day 12. So now, as you can see, the water is very cloudy. It's been soaking in salted water with bay leaves and garlic. So I'm gonna, and it's actually not bruised at all, or they haven't gotten darker. They've stayed nice and green the way they were. So now I'm gonna open it up and taste it and see if it's done soaking in the salted water. They're still nice and green. They smell really good. They're really good. They're not bitter at all. All that saltiness helped take all of that out. So honestly, next, we could dress them. So first we're gonna get started. We're gonna drain and rinse the olives from the salted brine. And next I'm just gonna rinse them with cold water. So now that the olives have been draining, I washed the same jar, dry it well, because you don't want no moisture in it. So in this bowl, in a light, like food processor, just very lightly, there's fresh garlic, celery, and carrot. So it's just like a quick pulse. That's all that's in here. So now we're gonna add the olives in this bowl. So I did throw out the bay leaves and the garlic that was like soaking in here. Those we threw out. We're gonna put everything fresh, whatever we need. So we're gonna put in there's a few more cloves here. The olives, and then you're gonna stir it up. Okay. Once it's all like combined and mixed together, this is like making a green olive, like a salad. Okay, so once it's all stirred up well, we're gonna fill the mason jar again. So now this step, we're gonna do olives mixed with the celery, garlic, and carrots. All right, so once you kind of get like a little layer inside, now you wanna start throwing in fresh oregano. A good amount all throughout. So that's good. Maybe I'll do one more spoon. All right, now we're gonna add more oregano. All right, we'll do one more spoon. See how pretty it looks, like all the layers, the colors. A little more oregano. Just gonna shake it around so like they can kind of settle down, make a little more room. So now this is filled with the olives, the garlic, celery, and carrots. So I'm gonna add a little more oregano on top. So now we're gonna fill the jar with oil. I use canola oil because it doesn't solidify in the refrigerator. Other oils do, so I like using this one. And which is pretty much gonna fill up the jar. Just do it slow because it's gonna go through all the holes. Okay, it's actually going through if you see. Now we'll add a little more. In the refrigerator, this is gonna stay. But if you see the oil going down, you could always add more oil to top it off. We're gonna add a little more in a minute, just let it kind of, it's going through. You still see little bubbles going up that it's settling. Okay. So it's all filled to the top. So once you're done filling it with oil, seal it well. And this could stay in the refrigerator for about maybe up to a year if they even last that long. But keep checking them like daily in the beginning. If it needs more oil, like if it's settling, just put a little more oil on top and it'll stay. So these are my green olives, scacciate. And next month I'll show you how I cured the black olives.